How's it going, guys? I made a new website that is a screener, and you can come visit whenever you want. I haven't bought the domain yet, but I'll get to that eventually. And you can see which stocks are highly recommended as very bullish buys and then very bearish sells. Right now there's none that are very bearish, so I wouldn't use any of the other ones, just the very bearish and the very bullish. But there is two for very bullish, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how it gets picked. We are using a screener in TradingView to show us a bunch of stocks that have a really high rating for moving average and oscillator. So TradingView actually has their own thing that they do called technical analysis. So if I go to this is the stock that's the number one, right here, SPSC. So if we take a look at it, the chart was really good. It's just the uptrend and it's an all-time high right now. So you can see on the right side these moving averages, they're a strong buy. They're all as buy because it's trending upwards, and then that takes into account the EMA, a few different time frames, and also the Ichimoku and the VWAP. And also in the oscillators, it's a buy. There's a lot of neutral, but it's still a buy. And so overall rating is strong buy, which is great. And then that takes into account the RSI, the momentum indicator, the MACD, and the Stochastic. So using those, it determines that this is a strong buy on the 5-minute time frame. But what I did is I connected a bunch of them together and checked which stock are strong on all the time frames. So I'm not sure which ones I picked, but for this stock you can see it's a strong buy, and then maybe the 30 minutes it's also a strong buy. The 1 hour it's a buy, so maybe I don't use that one. But you can see across all the time frames it's a buy, even on the 1 month, probably even the 1 minute. So that's the results that we're getting, and that's what the screener will show you. There's no other stocks that are a strong buy across all time frames right now, because everyone has their moment, but definitely check it out. And this is the same system that I'm using on my Discord, so you can get live alerts every time there's a new stock that's recommended. But this was built on Bubble. I don't have the domain yet, but you can definitely visit this one. I'll put it in the description. And Bubble's really cool to use. It's literally just drag and drop, and you can create websites in minutes. And they use variables, so you see it's all variables, nothing's hard-coded. And it actually gets the data live every time you refresh the page, because it has this really cool thing in Bubble called API connectors. And I can drop the code for like this TradingView where it just goes out, gets the data, and uses it inside the app. So it's very easy, very cool. There's no code involved, and I love it. But yeah, I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description, and also the link to the Discord channel so you guys can get the alerts every time there's a new one. All right, I'll see ya.